1995 Buick Riviera here at Unique, especially in classics. Listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car, 36,192 is all in this vehicle at the moment. That tried and true 3800 supercharged V6 underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front bumper, the Riviera grille. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, scuffs, anything like that. Maybe a little touch up here or there. And that's being pretty fussy on this one. There's not much for imperfections at all. Paint shows well, white exterior, dark gray or charcoal, leather interior. Very luxurious interior in these, and what a great riding and driving car. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Goodyear Assurance radial tires, the correct Riviera wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I do want to show you one spot on this mirror. So down in the door area, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. We do have kind of a touch up or a scuff or something right up here in this mirror, just to make sure you're aware of that. Like I said, leather interior, very luxurious, comfortable bucket seats, center console. And again, you can see those panels nice and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. It's not nicked or scratched up. Power antenna, as you can see. Let's take a look at the rear of the car. Few items that were just done on this vehicle recently. New ignition module, EGR valve, water pump and belt. It's one of those cars, get in, turn the key and go. Like I said, take your time looking at all the still pictures. There'll probably be 100, maybe a little over 100 still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician, wasn't much except for the car drives out very nicely. 80% brakes in the front, 70% in the rear. Exhaust is complete from front to back. So we take a look down the driver's side. Again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like Rivieras or maybe Buicks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. That can be done online right off our showroom floor. And if you're looking for a car that is a lot of bang for the buck to drive, check these things out. And you don't find many with miles that this has on it in the condition. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, memory seating. You can see heated seat over here on the driver's side. Power seats, both sides. Leather seating surfaces, great condition. Tilt column, steering wheel controls. Headliner, nice shape. This does have keyless entry with keyless fob. That is working. Let's go ahead and fire it up. And these things get decent gas mileage. All right. First off, there's the exact miles, 36,192. The only light on is this one telling me to brake to shift. That was a cold start, as you can see by the temp gauge, fuel gauge showing full, tachometer working, and I fastened the seatbelt light over here. Other than that, no check engine, service engine soon, anything like that. Electronic climate control, and it is dual climate control, as you can see over there. AM, FM cassette, and CD. and 1990s navigation system or compass. All right, dash looks good. You can tell this car is stored indoors, no doubt about that. Hear how that door closed? Nice and solid. Let's take a listen. What you'd expect. Nice and quiet, nothing over the top of the exhaust. And let's see if I can get this one-handed or not. All right, look at this hood liner. Does not appear to be driven in inclement weather. There it is. That's Supercharged 3800. Oh, clean and tidy that engine bay is. So power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Of course, front wheel drive. A lot of car for the money, and a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 36,192. 1995 Buick Riviera. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1995 Buick Riviera. A very luxurious two-door from Buick. This is an automatic on the center console. Loaded up with amenities including heated seats. The AC's blowing cold in this car. Very good acceleration. Stereo sounds very nice as well. The fuel gauge shows a full tank, temperature 195 on the engine. Speedometer and tachometer are working nicely. Dual climate control. 1995, kind of early for that option. Very nice. And the heated seat option. Did you know that the first production car that we know of to have that was a 1966 Cadillac Fleetwood, and now it's popular today in most higher end cars. CD player down below, and I have not tested the CD player, but FM is working well. Nice quiet ride. Dark interior in this car, looking good with the dark wood grain as well. Brakes are working as they should. Excellent power steering. Corners very well. Semi-luxurious, as Buick should be, but corners well. One thing that is not working, we have a compass. If you tap it, it may start working. But that is a simple add-on. Very nice, comfortable leather bucket seats in this car. Fun to drive, easy to drive, 1995 Buick Riviera. Take a look at all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.